This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Matt Monaco. Welcome home to your oasis in the heart of Grassfield. The open floor plan with a spacious kitchen is great for entertaining. The kitchen features upgraded cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, pantry, and peninsula seating. The main living space includes a beautiful sunroom overlooking the water and walking path. Relax in your first floor primary suite with water views, double vanities, and a luxurious shower. The 2-car garage includes an electric car charger, neighborhood amenities, 2 dog parks, playground, pool, clubhouse with a gym, walking path and deep water access, and private beach. This home is the perfect spot for you. December 6, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Matt Monaco at 757-547-1234.